7,107 islands. One country, cradled to a multitude of life. This is the Philippines. A destination in Southeast Asia that supports one of the world's most vibrant ecological environments. Deep blue seas teem with the richest concentration of the planet's marine life. While beyond the winding coastlines, a breathtaking terrain sustains a wealth of unique plants and wildlife. It is no wonder then that the Philippines is considered one of the world's most biologically diverse environments. Every day, new species await discovery. But amidst all the bounty, the sanctity of this precious place is in danger of vanishing. With a deep regard for our ecological treasures and a recognition of the threats they face, we offer the seeds of awareness. As these myriad marine and terrestrial environments support their own unique set of mammals, amphibians, plants, and reptiles, soaring over the landscape is one of nature's most intriguing life forms: birds. The Philippines is a country blessed with the world's highest concentration of endemic birds per square area, with each distinct set of islands home to a unique community of bird species. Ranging from coastal mudflats to lowland forests, and from wooded areas to mountainous heights, bird-watching sites offer varying locales and conditions for bird life. This is a country where winged wonders soar past along the East Asian flyway of migratory birds, and whose biodiversity corridors offer more than just an abundance of species habitation, but more importantly, bird endemism. In 2004, a bird species new to science was observed on an island at the northern tip of the archipelago. The Kalayan rail is one of the latest bird discoveries in the world. Indeed, this corner of the planet reveals some of nature's most spectacular sightings and melodious calls. waters. Flashes of magnificence. These natural wonders have the power to render you breathless. Behold one of nature's most remarkable creatures, and witness beauty that is both delicate and powerful. Bird watching in the Philippines. Enter the Avian Archipelago.